On this active mining road, a high-capacity dump truck makes its way toward the loading zone, an essential step in the daily rhythm of open-pit mining operations. Designed for extreme payloads, this heavy-duty truck navigates the Hull Road with precision, delivering unmatched performance in material transport. Every trip is carefully coordinated to minimize cycle time and maximize efficiency. The road beneath it, compacted and maintained, plays a vital role in reducing equipment wear and ensuring operational safety. From excavation to loading and hauling, each stage is part of a synchronized system that powers the mining industry. As the truck approaches the loading point, it stands as a symbol of industrial strength and engineering reliability. This is mining in motion, where logistics and machinery work in harmony to move the earth.